everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So as you all know that in the very last session I started a very important act of Unit 9, that is GST. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax Act. So this GST in India is very important tax law that has been introduced in year 2016, and I gave a brief introduction in the very last session. Those who have not watched, on the top I'm providing you the link, go and watch it out. So after looking at that session, many of the students are now well aware about what this GST is all about, how it is implied, and what were the various taxes that are consumed in it, subsumed in it. Means this GST has taken all the taxes inside it and has now been a uniform law all over India. Today, in this session, we will see how this GST took its birth in India. Mainly took its birth, what is the genesis behind this GST in India, whatever the efforts that were made by our political makers, lawmakers to brought this GST into India. So let's start this topic without wasting time. This is from Unit 9 UGC NET. I hope you are covering your syllabus, and also we have now started a playlist of MCQs for your practice sessions. Those who are preparing for this UGC NET and have joined right now, those who don't know about this playlist, and for more practice MCQ questions, because many of the students are demanding how questions come in this exam. Again, on the top I'm providing you the link of playlist, go and watch it out. Now, this is our official ways through which you can connect to us if you have any queries, any doubts. Looking at this GST, this was very firstly in the world first introduced in France. Okay, France is the country who gave this GST to all other countries, and this was in year 1954. And now after France, more than 160 countries across the world have adopted this GST. Generally, GST is popular for a single model, like they have the countries which prefer single model, mostly GST is favorable in those countries. But Canada and Brazil, these two countries have a dual model of GST. If we look at India, India also has adopted dual GST, which is imposed concurrently at the central level as well as state level. So center and state government have their dual GST reforms. Now step by step you have to make your own notes, या आप इनको एक टेबुलर फॉर्म में लिख लीजिए, ईयर वाइज ईयर कैसे कैसे जीएसटी में एफर्ट्स किए गए हैं इस जीएसटी को इंडिया में लागू करने के लिए. सो स्टार्टिंग विद ईयर 2004, मेनली जो जीएसटी का आइडिया था, okay students, this idea of GST emerged in India from the recommendation of Kelkar task force. केलकर टास्क फोर्स एक कमिटी थी, इन्होंने सबसे पहले जीएसटी के आइडिया को इमर्ज किया, और यू कैन से दे ब्रॉट दिस आइडिया इनटू द माइंड्स ऑफ अदर पीपल in 2004 by looking at various advanced countries which are already using this GST. After many years, we can say 2007, Union Finance Minister at that time was Shri P. Chidambaram. We have UPA government, and Shri P. Chidambaram, while presenting this central budget, he announced that GST would be introduced in India. Efforts should be made to bring this GST. We should look into it, and taxes should be collaborated in single form. All right. Then next, in year 2014, means after 7 years, when NDA government came to power, NDA government, that tabled their constitutional bill in parliament, and in that bill they presented this idea of GST. Like obviously idea was given in 2004, then the finance minister also gave, but efforts were not made so rapidly. But in 2014, NDA government, they tabled this constitutional bill, and in 2016 it received the assent of the president. फाइनली आफ्टर सो मेनी एफर्ट्स 2016 में प्रेसिडेंट जो हैं इस बिल को अपनी एसेंट देते हैं, अपनी हामी भरते हैं, एंड on 8th September 2016. So we can say it become Constitution 101 amendment. Okay, 101 amendment it became, and this was Constitution Act 2016. So हम जो ये GST Act बोलते हैं इसको हम 2016 का बोलते हैं, which paved the way for the introduction of GST in India. This was in 2016. Now coming to the year 2017. 2017 में क्या होता है, द सेंट्रल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स बिल जो था, सेंट्रल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स बिल 2017, दे इंटीग्रेटेड दिस गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स बिल एंड द टेरिटरी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स बिल. तो यहाँ पर आपको दो बिल्स दिए गए हैं, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. सेंट्रल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, दिस जीएसटी बिल में दो बिल्स को इंक्लूड किया गया. फर्स्ट वाज द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स बिल, ये जीएसटी तो था ही, बट इसके साथ साथ दिस टेरिटरी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स बिल मींस टीजीएसटी. जीएसटी एंड टीजीएसटी को भी इंक्लूड किया गया इन 2017. नाउ दिस जीएसटी 2017 वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. जब प्रेसिडेंट ने अपनी एसेंट दी, इसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया लोकसभा में. इट देन पास्ड द रिसिट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट एंड ऑन 12 अप्रैल 2017 में इसको इनेक्ट किया गया, लागू किया गया. Subsequently, after when Parliament gave its assent and when it was enacted, various state governments thought of bringing this GST in their state level also. So state governments also in their respective, we can say, legislatures, they passed this state government, state GST bills, state GST laws हम जिसे बोल देते हैं. तो various state governments भी इसको लागू करने लगी, इसलिए हम इसको dual aspect बोलते हैं. ये central level पर भी है और state level पर भी है. So this I'm talking about in March में ये सब होता है. And coming to this 2017 जुलाई, अब जब जुलाई आ गई, with effect from 1 July 2017 GST has been implemented across all over India. So 1 जुलाई से सारे टैक्सेस को, जो वेरियस टैक्सेस जो इसके अंदर है उन सबको ख़त्म करके एक सिंगल यूनिफॉर्म लॉ दैट इज़ जीएसटी को पास किया गया. सिंगल टैक्स विल बी अप्लाइड ऑन एवरी पर्सन एंड जीएसटी एज यू नो इज़ द डेस्टिनेशन बेस्ड टैक्स, वी कैन से कंज्यूमेशन बेस्ड टैक्स. जहाँ पर कंजम्पशन होगी वहाँ पर इसका हम बोलते हैं, means its main point is that where its main direction is where when it is at last consumed, जहाँ पर कंजम्पशन होगी वहाँ पर जीएसटी लगेगा. सो 2017 जुलाई में ये पूरे इंडिया में लागू हो जाता है. So these are the various steps. I hope you understood step by step how GST took its birth in India, what were the efforts made, and how it finally implemented all over India. You can make your own notes, students, and within this session I complete this genesis of GST. In next session I'll come with certain amendments that were made in the constitution regarding this GST. ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए because इससे related UGC नेट में question ज़रूर आया है. So don't get confused. Till then, keep subscribing, keep learning, maintain continuity, and if you have any doubt, any queries, you can connect us through these ways. We are there to solve all your problems. Follow us on Telegram, and till then, have a nice day. Thank you.